Alright boys, we're back on Tail of the Dragon. This is just like me coming back. I didn't even record coming up here. I was so fucking nervous on this bike. I've not been up here. And your boy is in a full tracksuit right now. Yes sir, let's go. Brand new tracksuit. It's holding me back just a little bit, but this is mainly just to record like progress of me out here, which this might be my last year out here honestly, because this shit's way too dangerous to be doing. Got 2 tickets yesterday, not on Tail of the Dragon, but just out and about. I ain't trying to do that shit no more. Like, I ain't trying to do that crap no more. So this will probably be my last trip out here to do this crap. And I do want to like move into track riding. That's why I got this tracksuit. But I am breaking it in right now. So, but yeah, it's definitely holding me back a little bit. So I'm probably not even going to talk that much. So just let y'all hear the exhaust sounds and shit like that. Work on my lines a little bit, my leaning. Feels like my fucking front is like, has too much air in it, but I literally just deflated before I came through here the first time, so I don't know. I think I'm just gripping my handlebars too tight because it's getting real like light in the front, especially when I turn. I'm throwing a lot of the corner. Appreciate you, my boy. Oh shit. I totally just missed my fucking pig right there. See, this is why I don't really want to do this crap anymore. That's part of the reason. One fuck up and you are done, son. But this is also my first time at the Dragon with this bike, so I shouldn't be going too crazy anyways. I should be just taking it easy. He's gonna go into a damn wall. Oh yeah, smart tip, if you have your phone somewhere where when you first start the tail, put it in your notes the time, and then put the time when you get done, and then you can go to the Killboy photos around here on their website and just scroll through that time and you'll find your photos on there a lot easier than just scrolling for hours and hours. Like me, the first time I did it. It should take like a day to upload, I believe, so y'all just be patient. Your photos are coming. Bro, is homie drunk? He is riding that mayo hard. Like, about to go off the damn road. Yeah, I just need to relax a little bit. I should be good. See, if I was on the S1K, I would have made that pass. But, definitely not on this bike. I don't know this bike that well. Well, I know it pretty well, but I am not confident out here. Especially with this suit holding me back and like constricting me a little bit because it's not broken in. Yeah, definitely not. Not doing that. little sign he had on there. It said like and subscribe to Derek1 or something like that. That's a good idea. Let's come on here and take video and pictures and post them to YouTube. They might be like locals or something. You definitely got to be a local to do that. So he just drives out here and sits all day, you know? Unless you're close by already. Whoa, 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 what the? Bro. Oh my God, bro. That shit scared the fuck out of me. Oh my God. Of all the times I've been to Tail of the Dragon, I've never been behind somebody like that. That like, that went off the road and shit. Bro is tripping. He is tweaking. Get in front of them so I get some cool photos, you know? Appreciate you, my boy. Fucking I can scrape knee, bro. Like, knee is like right there, but it's just not happening, you know? Going through some videos, I noticed I used to like be banging through the gears like third, fourth, but you don't even need that on this road. You need like first and second and third maybe on the straightaway or something. Other than that, you don't need nothing else. I don't even know what the fuck I was doing. Workout. sweating with this tracksuit, bro. God, dog. Scrape my knee. Let's go. Let's go, baby. I scraped the fucking knee. I can't believe that. I really just did that shit. And I was just thinking to myself, like, damn, bro, like, how do they people scrape their knee? Like, there's so much room, like, even when you're leaned over, that's left. And, like, you know, the puck will, like, fill that little gap or whatever. I don't know. Don't mind me, I'm just yapping, y'all. If you're even watching this damn video. I know one thing, it is heating up for sure. That and I'm moving more on this bike. Oh, appreciate y'all. I always keep saying that, like they can fucking hear me in this helmet. Definitely a lot more relaxed. And I was going, I don't know why I was so nervous. I guess because, like, new bike maybe? Come on, man, I do this shit all the time, baby. This is my shit right here.